Let's pick this pomegranate because it's cracking. And before anything gets in there, or the birds. So we're gonna pick it and then we're gonna eat it while hanging out outside. My monstera. They're getting bigger. They actually like it over here outside than inside. So, monstera outdoor. The plants we got in California. Just 1-day trip. There's this one, pomegranate, persimmon, and one more avocado. I researched it, and this is the avocado I usually buy. I just took a bite. Ugh, it's bitter. But, ooh, look at that color. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Red, red, red. Juicy, juicy. My vegetables. So lush. And when this one starts growing also, it's gonna be lush. And some of those also. And we have some bell pepper. It's still making it. There's still until December. I need to pick my goji berry again. OMG. Well, it's not that much, so I'll probably just leave it be. It's only one. It's nice and sweet now. So I'm just gonna enjoy this while hanging out in my covered patio, which is over here. I'm gonna enjoy my swing for now. It's a nice weather. While hanging out with my poppy. Oh, I have more. Let's see. At least they're growing. And my zucchini and my kangkong, water spinach. And at least this one's growing now. Once they're matured, it'll be good already. And some stuff growing over here. We have some basil. Hopefully, I get to have fruits from this. My wing bean. I haven't planted my seeds yet. I still got lazy. And another peek of my golden mandarin. So beautiful. And my pomegranate. Oh my god, I'm so proud of them.